Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Windows 11 language. Go to the Start menu, search for Settings. Go to the Settings. Go to the Time and Language at the left bar. Click it. Go to the Language and Region. Click Add Language. Search for language you want to change, for example Turkish. Click it and click Next, and here you will download language package for keyboard as well as for the Windows language. If you want to choose this language as well as your Windows 11 language, click here and install it, and now it will download the language package. After downloading, here will be Sign Out button. Just sign out from Windows and go back. Then it will be in new language. Thank you for watching.